Yo, what up, y'all? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute. Things have been kind of crazy since Daytona. Been waiting on parts, trying to get all that shit done. It's also been like fair week out by me. Plus, it's the Dream Cruise, so I'm getting ready. We're gonna get this fat pig all cleaned up. I'm gonna get my new swaybar installed. Um, yeah, and then I guess we'll go from there and try and get down to Woodward. Try and vlog a little bit while I'm down there. Probably gonna go meet up with one of my buddies. I'll show you his truck when I see him, and kind of go from there. So I'm waiting on steering stabilizer to come in, waiting on my brackets to get powder coated, and I'm also waiting for my draglink bar to get powder coated, and then I'll have a video installing all that. I've got lights coming for the Dodge, so I'm in the process of waiting for that stuff to come in, and then I'll have a video up of wiring all of the lights up and stuff. I can't talk, but I've been running all day, so let me flip you around. I'll show you what we're doing today and try and knock this out real quick and get down to Woodward. All right, so here we are under the truck. This is my stock sway bar. Bushings are all cucked. Angle is completely wrong. This is not the angle you want your steering or your sway bar to be at, and that end link has seen better days. So I'm gonna get this taken off, and then I'll show you where we're at after that. So it's gonna be 18 mil bolt and a wrench to get the bottom or top off, either one. It's double 18s. And then these bolts right here are gonna be 15s, and that'll drop the entire sway bar. So I'm gonna knock that out real quick, and I'll catch you guys after I get this knocked out real quick. All right, well, we're back. If you can't tell, I know it's dark. Didn't go as planned. Kind of half my fault. No, kind of all my fault. I forgot to. So on the Carli kit. Let me see. I should be able to do this. So on the Carli kit, there's splines right there underneath this, which is what this connects to. Well, those splines got powder coated because I forgot to tell them not to powder coat the splines because I didn't think about it. So I had to take my time and go through and clean off all of the splines behind this spacer or cover, washer, whatever you want to call it. So it's on, it's done. Now I need to go grab my torque wrench, torque everything down, and then I guess take the test drive. I don't think I'm gonna make it to Woodward tonight, unfortunately, considering it's already like 10:30, and it's about an hour-ish drive to get down there. So I guess we're gonna make this a 2-day video, which is okay. I haven't posted in a while, so we can make it a little bit longer. And I guess tomorrow will end up being the night that we go see what's going down. So we're gonna show you guys what we're doing here real quick. So for those of you who are new or don't know, so this is your top steering damper right here, my finger's pointing. This has already been replaced under Ford because it was a recall, and this one's already shot, and pretty much so is my drag link itself, which is this bar here. Goes up to your pitman arm right there. This bar you see here that's bending down, that's your pitman arm, goes to your steering box. This is your drag link, top steering damper right here. And then that goes down, goes to your knuckle. Sorry, tie rod. Oops, tie rod. Thank you, buddy. All right, tie rod here, bottom link. This is the sway bar we just did. So what we're gonna end up doing first, we're gonna pull the cotter pins on this side right here. Same on the other side. We're gonna knock these out and drop my entire bar. We're gonna drop my entire drag link, and then we're gonna take this apart as well. So this is your track bar, goes up to your frame, comes down here to your axle. And we're going to take that out, replace it with a Carli adjustable track bar. And then I also have the shims that I'm not sure if we're gonna use yet or not. So we'll see. I got the alignment shims. So we'll see where we're at once we start getting all this shit ripped apart, and go from there, you know?
Cool. We'll keep you posted.
Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, guys? So, clearly, let me adjust you down a little bit. Evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it may be for you, we're here. So, still haven't gotten faster side tie rod out. So, that's what we're working on tonight. I'm hungover if you can't hear it in my voice. So I'm a little tired. I don't know how long I'm going to be working today. I don't know how much I caught yesterday. I was kind of just trying to get everything ripped off the truck so that way hopefully we can start the rebuild. I got my steering stabilizers in today, which is, we've been waiting on those. So that's huge. So now I can at least hopefully get this thing back on the road. Oh, check out the TSO hat too. Rocking that today. So, oh, there goes my phone. So I'm gonna jump into this and throw some music on. I'll probably time lapse this for you guys. But basically what's gonna happen, I'll give you a quick kind of breakdown. So this is where we're currently at. I know the light's kind of hard to see. I'm sorry. I don't have a flashlight nearby, I don't think. I do not. Okay, so I don't have a flashlight. That's okay, though. So this is our lower tie rod. That is got to come out. We got new draglink and all that stuff is hanging out. So what I'll end up doing is I'll flip you guys around, and we're just gonna get after it. And I'm wearing sweatpants and my cowboy boots. I'm like I said, it was a lazy Saturday. So we're gonna try and get this thing knocked out. Alright, so this got recommended to me by a buddy of mine. He's a tech. Got a couple of buddies who are heavy wrenches and stuff like that. Invest. I was trying to hit it with my smaller ball peen, obviously this side, and I mean it didn't want to budge. One whack, tie rod came out with this. It's a 4-pound, unbreakable Wilton mini sledge. This thing is a lifesaver. So all you guys that are new to wrenching, invest in one of these. Or a bigger one. You might need something bigger at some point. So I'm gonna get back to it and try and get some stuff done. So anyway, so long story short, my driver's side tie rod is seized in the tube, so I'm waiting for penetrating oil to do its thing. Sprayed that.